am going to talk about stress in a way that you may not have thought about it before. And I'm going to start with our posture. A lot of people have poor posture, even pre-COVID, but with working at home, sitting all day long, that has actually gotten much worse. And what happens with poor posture, it doesn't just create physical pain in your body because your body's in poor alignment, but it also impacts your breathing. And if you can't breathe well, you can't relax. So I'm actually going to spend a little bit of time to talk about how to align our bodies into a good posture alignment that will be easy for you to maintain throughout the day. Now, I know a lot of people know that they don't have good posture, and then they try to put themselves up in this extreme upright position that requires a lot of effort that they can't maintain. And then after they do that for a little while, then they slump and then spend the rest of the day in poor posture. That doesn't really help your alignment. So I'm going to teach you a trick that we learn in our Tai Chi practice for alignment. And what I'm going to have you do is come a little bit away from the back of your chair. So sit so that you're not leaning back and feel like the top of your head is suspended from a string hanging from the ceiling. Like one end is here, the other end is tied right up on the ceiling, and you're hanging from the string. Chin doesn't go up, your chin doesn't lift. Just this point is up because you're hanging from the string. Your head is now set up and back right on top of your neck. Your neck is set up right on top of your spine, and your spine is vertical. This relieves your neck and shoulder pain from being like this all day. So just imagine a lifting up here. And then now, notice your lower back position. So much of our day, our back is compressed like this. So what I like to tell people to visualize is imagine if the tension in your lower back is liquid. If it were a liquid pool and your back is arched like this, the tension has nowhere to escape. It's trapped here. So what we want to do is allow that tension, if it were a liquid, to just slide off of our bodies. So what you can do is let your pelvis tuck in a little bit so that that lower back can flatten out. So now, top of your head lifted up, head on top of your neck, on top of your spine. Lower back is flat. Now, we hold so much tension in our chest. Take your hand and push it in with a deep exhale. And feel that chest softening up while maintaining the top of your head lifted, lower back flat. We're relaxing around this vertical alignment, softening up your chest. Relax your abdomen. Feel all that tension releasing. Now, let your hands rest right on top of your thighs. And what we're going to do is we are going to breathe, and we're going to notice the tension in our shoulders. Let that tension in your shoulders feel like you're melting down. Feel the tension in your shoulders just sinking down. Arms get heavy. Hands feel heavy on your thighs. Now notice the evenness in your body. Feel the contact point in your seat to the chair. Feel even on the right side and the left side. Notice if there's more weight on the right or on the left. Make the little adjustment in yourself to even that out. Find that centering point. The top of the head is lifted up. The chin is tilted under. The chest sinks in and drops down. Abdomen is relaxed. Lower back is flat. Shoulders dropped. Breathing in through your nose. Letting that breath gently fall down into your abdomen. Breathing up and out through your nose. With each exhale, just feel the tension in your shoulders melting away. As those shoulders drop, the arms feel heavier, and you feel more weight in your palm, into your thighs. The feeling is like when you're about to fall asleep, and the weight of your body is so heavy. We want to let that come into our senses, except the top of your head stays lifted up so we're not slumping. So as your body learns how to relax around this vertical alignment, we're now going to talk a little bit about the tension in our jaw. Now, you may not even realize how much tension you hold in your jaw. When you're stressed, you clench your teeth and you feel so much tension here. So the tension in your jaw is connected to the tension around your eyes and in your head. So I'm going to teach you a tongue and lip position that can help to relax that tension in your jaw. Take the tip of your tongue and let it touch up to the upper palate, right behind your teeth. Close your lips, and lips form a little smile. We call this a Buddha smile. Tongue up to the upper palate. Close your mouth and lips. Let that tongue spread out. Little Buddha smile. This keeps your teeth apart so they don't clench. And this might feel a little bit strange because you're not used to having a relaxed jaw usually. So try to relax. And when the tension here relaxes, notice how the tension around your eyes relax as well. And when the tension relaxes around your eyes, the tension relaxes in your head. So these all go together. Our posture, top of the head, lifts up. Chin tucks under. Relaxes the tension in the neck and shoulders. Chest sink in. Abdomen relax. Pelvis tilt. Lower back is flat. This alignment allows us to breathe, keeping that face and jaw tension relaxed allows us to feel our body relaxed. And now I'm going to teach you 3 movements that you can do to help relieve some tension in your body. And these are seated, so you can do it anytime. Very easy to do and follow along. So first thing is just keep yourself in that position I talked about and let your shoulders and arms hang down. Feel the energy down in both arms. You can feel weight in each and every one of your fingers. Let the fingers hang down. Feeling the energy flowing down your shoulders, down your fingers. Rotating the palms, rotating them around all the way. Turning your head, eyes look to the back of the room. Inhale. Exhale, eyes look straight ahead, fingers forward. And let the fingers hang down, shoulders relax. Rotate the palms, rotating them around, turning your head, eyes look to the back. Inhale. Exhale, eyes look straight ahead, fingers forward. Let the fingers hang down, shoulders relax. Rotating the palms, turning your head. Inhale, eyes look to the back. Exhale, eyes look straight ahead, forward, fingers forward. Let the fingers drop down, shoulders down and relax. Last time, rotating the palms, turning your head. Inhale, eyes look to the back of the room. Exhale, eyes look straight ahead, fingers forward. Now we're going to do another exercise, and this is going to help with our back. Inhale, bring the arms up. Bring the back of the hands together, wrist to fingertips touch, and dive down between your legs. Exhale, hunch your upper back and let your eyes look to your upper chest. And then come up, open up your hands, eyes look up, hands come out, shoulder height, tilt your head back, eyes look to the back. And then exhale, back of the hands together, dive down, curve your upper back, eyes look to your upper chest. Inhale, open up, eyes look to the back. Last time, exhale, dive down, curve your upper back, eyes look into your upper chest. Inhale, up. Exhale, let your hands drop down. The final movement we're going to do, this is going to help with your neck and shoulders. So just let your arms drop down and bring your hands up. Drop your wrists so your fingers point up. Inhale, shrug, look up and open up your hands apart. Exhale, eyes glare forward, spread the fingers out. And your upper back pushes back, push, and then relax. Let the hands drop down. Again, bring the hands up. Fingers point up. Inhale, shrug, open up your hands, eyes look up. Exhale, press the hands out, spread the fingers, upper back pushes back and eyes glare forward. And then relax. Drop down, exhale down. Last time. Inhale, shrug, eyes up, open your hands. Exhale, eyes glare forward, spread the fingers apart, press out, upper back goes back. Inhale, and then exhale, down. All right, those are just a few simple exercises that you can do. You can see it doesn't really take a lot for you to be able to do some stress relieving exercises. It just requires some mindfulness, so you can keep that in mind. Your posture, top of your head lifted up. And you'll notice that it does gently engage your core so that your core can start stabilizing your body's alignment and position, help facilitate better breathing, help to preserve a relaxed mind so that you can stay healthy